this is what we found this weekend, plus 2 nice little pickers which you see later in the video, but most fun was working for this result. We are back here at the spot of our little submarine video, where we showed you finding some pickers on the clay with our metal detector. Last weekend we found no more pickers, but more gold in the handsluice, and the concentrates are getting better and better. So we go full throttle now. But you have to got one thing right. For us it doesn't feel like work, and sure, we work a bit harder when we know there is a camera, but you know, we really enjoy it, and that's our secret weapon. As I mentioned in my Gold Prospector Wisdoms video number 1, you have to love what you do, and then you are good at it. So to be honest, it doesn't feel like this music for us. It feels more like this music for us. We'll find 2 little pickers again today, so stick around, but first we have to shovel a lot of gravel through the sluice. We tried different techniques, but for us and for this kind of situations we found that it's most efficient to work that way.
Okay.
My shovel and my best buddy carries the bucket to the handsluice and runs them through the sluice. I could explain many reasons why this is the most efficient method for us, but everybody has his own way of workflow and has to find it for himself. And we also work in a team. If 2 people work together, it's more than twice the power. Do you see the rocks on the right side? We removed them before because the whole creek was covered with them. Really heavy things. But this is exactly what we are looking for, heavy rocks and heavy minerals in the creek. That's a good trace for gold. When we are working that way at such a spot, we are completely focused and somehow relaxed. We forget the time. As mentioned in the submarine video, the pay layer is kind of a clay layer. We always keep an eye on the rocks, on the minerals. Normally, if we see lots of them in the gravel we shovel, we also have lots of gold in the sluice at the end of the day. Did you notice the cumulus clouds in the background? Every prospector knows what this means.
Schon mal links so rein.
Ja, fast wegen dem Mikrofon ist schon gut, aber vor allem ist es fast zu nah. Nein, so sehen wir es. So sehen wir eigentlich auch gut. Ja. Sieht noch geil aus.
We work both with the set and the Goldmonster because they are very good together. Because we expect rain, we check our spot now with the GPZ and we save it in the car afterwards. This time we let the camera running before we find a target to show you. And now, guess what? Exactly now we find nothing. That's the right time to have some fun. We always say the Goldmonster hates the GPZ because it has the larger coil, so the monster bitches around when the set is too close. So we didn't find anything now, but the day is not over before it's over. Finding gold needs persistence. Persistence needs the love for what you do. I know, it sounds kind of weird, but we were happy. Sure, we like sunshine more than rain, but life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass, it's about learning how to dance in the rain. Side note, what looked before like my buddy Rito was dancing was in fact removing the tailings. Then, finally, we had a good signal on the clay. Well, I forgot the Henderson pump at home. Completely my fault. So, there's only one solution for that problem. As you see, it took some time to take him out. If it's that difficult, even if you know exactly where the target is, imagine how difficult it is without the metal detector. And then we found a small picker. The problem was, there was not only one picker to save, there were two.
Who minds?
Just that you understand the problem, the clay is very hard. You can't shovel it away good, and we were afraid that we pressed the picker into the clay or cover it with material from the side. Therefore, we just try very carefully to pinpoint it, to remove the silt and to pick it up by hand.
so schön. Das wäre das Geilste, wenn die Kamera noch laufen. Huh?
Thanks for watching. It's getting late, so let's dream of something nice.